Do you experience background noise in your videos and you don't know how to go about it? Watch this video to learn how to remove background noise from your videos. Please stay tuned. Before we begin, I want you to take a look at a video I filmed recently and it was disturbed by the background generator noise. From this, kindly drop comments, like the video, and also share to this. Make money without any discomfort or any how do I put it, any worries. So guys, I hope you learned one or two things today. If you did, kindly drop comments. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Goodness Ocheche Emmanuel Orifa. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can remove background noise from your videos. Please stay tuned. So let me show you how I was able to remove the background noise from the video. So go to your CapCut app. If you don't have the app, go and install it on your phone. Then click New Project. Then click on the video. Click on the video like this. Then look at the task bar below. Then scroll to your left. Keep scrolling to your left. Then see, this is the tool you are going to be using, reduce noise. This one here. Then on it. So once you on it, it's going to reduce the noise. You have to wait for it to reduce it. It's going to take a while. Then it will. You have to wait for it to process the noise and remove it or reduce it. Then if the noise in your background is a bit high, it might not remove everything or reduce everything totally at one edit. So what I do is, you can, when you are done, you can upload it again to this CapCut and reduce the noise again. So this is how to reduce noise from your videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and also share it with your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye bye.